Hello everybody, today is Friday, August 4th. It's 2:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bring over the time and sales. We can see the E-mini S&P trading at 2472, and I'm recording the video an hour before the close as I have an appointment this morning. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, the E-mini S&P is still trading at 2472. You can see the trades going off. Pretty solid day for the auto trader today. First up is the bonds on the Super 6 tick, and this market closes in 10 minutes. And so we're actually in a trade. This is probably going to close. If I go in the configure tab, you can see that we have our exits configured at 1500 hours. So just in a few minutes, this is going to close out this trade. And we have a closed P&L of $1,000 and an open P&L of $62.50. So I'm going to bring my stop in real tight. It's almost a break even now. So the worst we're going to do is $1,000 or so. I'll probably get stopped out. I actually didn't mean to bring it in that tight. Maybe I can bring it back a tick or so. So what you just saw me do is an example of how you can actually drag the stops and so forth. So anyway, this was two very well placed trades, a long and a short on the bonds, and really solid trading here on the bonds. Okay, next up is the crude oil and the Super 6 tick. It's had a number of trades today, resulting in 1140 for the day, and I believe we may have hit our goal. I think the goal here is 1200, so we probably hit our goal, and when we hit our daily goal, we execute a market order, so we might have had a couple tick slippage here. So again, a solid performance on the crude oil. Okay, next up is the DAX, and this is the DAX that trades the US session. Again, solid performance of $1,000 on two contracts. So the DAX again giving us great performance for many, many days in a row. Okay, next up is the Russell on the Super 10 tick, and this is looking pretty good here. We've seen quite a few profitable days. I made a slight change to the settings here. It was a limit order minus 12 ticks, and I cut that in half or a little more than that at a limit order minus 5 ticks, so only a 5 tick pullback, and that certainly proved to be good today. So 670 on two contracts in the Russell. That's all for today's video. If you would like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.